last but not least,
big boy.
it's the same design as
this one. CF one. Did you still have got a module? Super shampoo rail.
yeah, isn't it?
Christmas is come early.
Don't even talk about Christmas yet.
Whoosh. Super chamfer rail in the nose.
Yeah.
Super stable wide. So this particular model 70 by 31.5. So super short, but nice and accessible width and volume in this bad boy, 145 litres. So
Let's have a look at that rail. So what's the benefits of that rail?
So the benefits of this rail for foiling are when the rail touches down or when you want the board to release onto the foil, because you control that really with your foot pressure, rear or forward, it will allow the board not to suck down on the surface as much with that chamfered rail. Some boards you'll see on the market have way more, the chamfer is cut more into the depth, but obviously having it there will give the board even more stability. So this is a board for the beginner foiler or the heavier foiler. Someone who either wants stability or someone who's really, really heavy but wants to get into foiling. And when I say really heavy, someone in the sort of 95 kilogram plus, but also wants a shorter weight board, because obviously in foiling, the longer the board is, the more swing weight you have when you're flying above the surface, kind of trying to get that floaty snowboard feel. But this board from Fanatic is also available in two other sizes, three other sizes in fact. It's available in a 610 by 31, it's available in a 66 by 30 and a 64 by 27. Obviously this has got plenty enough volume. I think the smallest one, the 66 by 27, 96 litres. So I think probably the most popular board will probably be, I'd say the 66 by 30, 115 litres. But this for stability, amazing. I like the the raised section right down the middle, so your foot gets a datum. Interesting, no foot strap inserts on the Fanatics, but that's really just a preference thing. If we flip the board over, as well as looking at those beautiful channels, we've got your 2 US boxes set into the high density foam, and then a rear box. And I think the reasoning behind that one is, with something so short, even with the foil on, you're going to get yaw when you paddle. Obviously the foil does give you stability, so the idea being that if we put a US box, or they put a US box, you can put a small rear fin in there just to help the board track a little bit better. The reports are, some people say you don't even need to use it, but we'll be doing a full test on this board, on the cable, and we're looking forward to testing the new Fanatic foil as well. So for the time being, great work Fanatic, the Sky Sup Foil edition. This particular model, the 7.0 by 31.5. Woohoo! Loyal to the foil.